I'm gonna be honest with you, right? I make such bad life decisions sometimes. A bit of a love-hate thing on my Instagram. This is my little range haul. What am I gonna do now? Cheerio. God bless. Good morning everyone, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today is Tuesday and I'm just about to leave to go to London. Thought I would document this because I'm feeling a little bit nervous, and I never really film when I get nervous because one, I don't have the time, but I made sure I got up early this morning, and two, because the last thing you feel like doing when you're nervous, you can probably hear it in my voice, the last thing you want to do is pick up a camera. But anyway, today I'm going to London and today I'm actually filming with a chef. I am really excited for it. The only thing I get nervous about is like my camera, like will it work, will the setup be alright, will I turn my microphone on, things like that. But his name is Chris and he's going to teach me how to bake today, so I'm hoping I'll get to eat some good cake today. Just thought I would document this because it's perfectly normal to feel nervous. I wouldn't say that I have anxiety, some of you might say otherwise watching this clip. I just think I get nervous sometimes and I think that's pretty normal, so I'm about to go. Let's do this, I'll be fine. This is my favourite part, I find this so satisfying.
Yeah, it is satisfying, isn't it? Give it a little smooth off. And now we've got the oven on.
Hello everyone, I'm in London now. Here's Chris behind me. He's doing the washing up.
He's doing the washing up.
We've just filmed a video for my channel. We did a bit of baking and it actually went well. But I had Chris to help me out. He helped out quite a lot. And now we're going to film a smoothie challenge for his channel. I'm a little bit nervous. I brought my ingredients with me. So these videos will be up on Thursday. Go and check them out. Get excited for them. Happy Tuesday. Hello again everyone. So it's now 4 o'clock and I'm home already. I wasn't expecting to be home this early, so that's good because I've got a lot to do when I get back. But we've decided to come to McDonald's because I'm a little bit peckish, I'm not gonna lie. We're just parked up in Bay 1 now, waiting for it to come out. I went for spicy veggie wrap, which is my favourite thing from McDonald's at the minute. I'm not vegetarian or vegan or anything like that, but I just really like the taste of the spicy veggie wrap. It's like a, instead of the chicken goujons inside the, Instead of the chicken goujons inside the wrap, the goujons are made of potato, red pepper and red pesto. I think that's what it is. They're a really nice flavour, so I'd recommend trying it if you haven't already. I have got 6 chicken nuggets as well though. Hello everyone, I've had a nap, I've woken up, I've had dinner, and now I feel like I've got a lot of energy. Oh, this next one though. I'm sweating a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. Whew. Anyway, I need to stop. I'm gonna go have a shower, wash my hair and wax my eyebrows. Have a good night. Cheerio. God bless. Good morning everyone. It has been a hot minute since I vlogged. I'm very sorry about it. I'm currently trying to brush my hair without properly brushing it because I had it curled yesterday. I went into London yesterday for Emily's birthday. We all went to the Ivy in Chelsea, went out for lunch. It was really cute. You might have seen some pics on Insta or Emily vlogged it. I don't think anyone else vlogged it actually, I'm not sure. So yeah, I had my hair curled yesterday, so currently trying to brush it without getting rid of the curls too much because I love the way my hairdresser curls my hair. It looks so much nicer than when I curl it. I'm about to head to the range. As you all know by now, we've had our bathroom redone and we need to go and get a soap dispenser and a toothbrush holder and a toilet brush. The realities of real life. This is my super casual outfit of the day. That's the blazer that I wore yesterday. I really like that actually. It's from Pretty Little Thing. It's got like these ruched sleeves. River Island do a very similar one. This one was a lot cheaper though and I really like it. It's not like the most tailored, but if you need a little good blazer, check out Pretty Little Thing. Anyway, back to my outfit for today. Got this little green tracksuit on from Lounge. I'm going to whack my trainers on as well. Super casual, like I said. My jacket, I get quite a lot of questions about this jacket actually. This is from Topshop. It was a little bit spenny, I'm not going to lie. I think it was like £80, but I've worn it to death and it is so warm. It's like a proper winter coat. Please ignore the washing behind me. But this morning, right, I spent such a long time transferring pictures from my phone to my computer because I have a Mac, like a, you know, like a sit down Mac rather than a laptop. But it's a really old one. All I use it for is storing my pictures because I don't want to lose them, and I'm such a photo hoarder. I never really keep pictures on my phone, but recently I've been so busy that I had pictures on my phone. Who's that? Hello. I've had pictures on my phone since last October when I went to Cape Verde. That is so unlike me. I normally do a backup like every 6 weeks-ish because I'm so paranoid about losing my pictures. I had over 2,000 pictures on my phone. That's probably nothing to most people. Actually, let me know in the comments down below, how many pictures do you have in your camera roll right now? Because I had 2,000 and now I've got 942. You know, Mrs. Hinch has had full effect when this aisle really excites you. I've not got my favourite 101 carpet fresh in though. Gutted, mate, gutted. The basket's nice and full. We've got a picture for the downstairs toilet, exciting. An ironing board cover. This is my little range haul. I've got an Easter egg there, very excited about that. It's a Ferrero Rocher one. Washing powder, soap dispenser, all the necessities. Just a quick update, we've now come to Home Bargains. We're doing a run of all the cheap shops today. In here we need washable marker pens. The most random thing ever. I can't believe shops are now selling elastic band balls. When I was younger, I spent months and months making one of these, collecting elastic bands. Now you can just buy it for £2. Not even that, £1.50. What has happened to childhoods these days? It's tragic. Exciting update. We're in B&M Bargains now. They have my favourite carpet fresh. We found her, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're on to a winner. I can't believe this, right? We've just waited 10 minutes, literally, for an iced caramel frappe and a chocolate milkshake from McDonald's. Well, at least 10 minutes we were waiting in there, weren't we? Yeah. And look at this, I've just gone to put my straw in. The lid doesn't even work. There's no hole in it. So 10 minutes I've just waited. What am I going to do now? Morning guys, I've just eaten a banana and I find it mad how quick a banana goes brown after you've eaten it, so I'm gonna set up a time lapse. Purely for my own entertainment. I might include it in this vlog, I might not. Let's see what happens. But anyway, as it is Sunday today, Mum and I are about to go out for lunch. We're going to pop into Old Lee. If anyone's from Essex, you probably heard of Old Lee. We're going to try and go to a restaurant called The Estuary, see how busy it is, etc, etc. But apparently the food is really nice there. Not going to lie, I've already looked at the menu online. Lol, obviously. Tinted my eyebrows this morning as well. I've got a little bit of dip brow pomade on them, but not much at all. Highly recommend an eyebrow tint. I'll link the one I use in the description down below. It's just from Boots and it's an absolute barg. This is today's outfit. My top is from Primark. It's just a plain black high neck top. As you've seen before, this jacket is from Topshop. These jeans are also from Topshop. I really like these. They're like ripped at the bottom. Can you see that? I just think it's a nice little detail, you know. These shoes have been in a previous vlog. These are from eBay. There seems to be a bit of a love-hate thing on my Instagram. I really like them. They're really comfortable. Sometimes the fur is a little bit too orange, I'm not going to lie. Like with this outfit, it does look quite orange rather than brown. But I'm not that fussy. They were like a tenner. Who's complaining at a tenner? Not this gal. Love that. Such a pro vlogger. It actually astounds me every single day. I have come in and sat on my bed and that's where I've been ever since. Oh, by the way, camera roll update. I've transferred a few more pictures. Wow, my vlogs are so thrilling. Now I have 563 pictures on my camera roll. I also want you to tell me, in screen time, what is the average amount of time per day that you spend on your phone? So go on screen time in your settings, then click on last 7 days. Mine's really bad. Mine is 6 hours and 13 minutes per day. But I saw Sophie Does Nails post hers this morning and hers was like 7 hours, so I guess not that bad. This is something to talk about, right? When I edit my vlogs, I cut a lot out because I think, oh, that's boring. But But I don't know if I think it's boring because I've said it, I've edited it, and I've watched it back a couple of times, and then I think, ah, it's boring, take it out. But I know that if I watch these things in someone else's vlog, I wouldn't think it's boring. So please let me know in the comments down below. Do you mind a little ramble, or do you prefer vlogs that are like short and sweet? Cool, you've got a lot to tell me today. My arm's aching. Wow, that's a good angle. I've just come back into my office and completely forgot that I left the banana there. I mean, I thought it would be browner by now, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like that little science experiment was a bit of a waste of time. But if my channel is one thing, a waste of time, it is. Always staying on brand, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, this is one of the annoying things about being self-employed, right? I'm gonna be honest with you, right? I'm rubbish at keeping track of when to pay tax, how much I need to pay, etc, etc. I have an accountant who does most of it for me, but I forget when I need to take things to the accountant. Literally my one job and I forget to do it. Don't worry though, I've never not paid tax. I've always paid the amount I need to pay, etc, etc. It's just getting to that stage that I find difficult. So I got a letter a couple of weeks ago that was like, you have this amount outstanding, and it was quite a lot of money, and I was like, lol, where did that come from, please? Then turns out that I was supposed to drop off a load of information to my accountant to pay the next round of tax yesterday. Lol. Well, to be fair, it was from the 6th of April, which I wrote in the book so I wouldn't forget, and I forgot. So now I have a really busy week coming up next week. I kept a couple of days free where I thought, right, I can get loads of filming and editing done. Not anymore, Han, because guess what? You've got to fill out your tax book. I've got too much on this week, honey. I've got too much to do, and apparently I need to have an injection this week as well because I go on holiday next month, and apparently I need an injection for that, and I was supposed to have that last week as well. Lol. Everything is just overwhelming, you know, when everything gets too much, it's loads of little bits and bobs. It's nothing major, but it's just things that need to be done, which is why I wrote myself a list of things to do this weekend, most of which have not managed to be ticked off because I've been out for lunch and I filmed a banana going brown. I make such bad life decisions sometimes. This is tonight's dinner. We've got a little chicken burger there, a few chips, some homemade coleslaw, a little bit of salad and a bit of beetroot. I love a bit of beetroot, me, especially in the summer. Oh, I'm excited for this. I'm hungry again now. Shock, I'm always hungry. But anyway, my lovelies, time is now ticking on. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening on Sunday. I've got most of this vlog edited, woo, but I've still got so much more to do tonight, so I'm going to leave it there for this vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it. I feel like it's been quite a chatty, bit of a pointless one, but I hope you managed to find a point in it. I hope it took you away from your reality of the day for a good 10 minutes, even if it took you to a place that was just watching a banana go brown. Lol. This week is very exciting because on Thursday I am going to Big Beauty Day Out, so if any of you guys are going to be there in London, I'll see you there. Make sure you say hello. We can have a little hug and a chat. We can talk about science if you want, talk about your fave fruit, talk about not getting to your accountant on time, whatever you want, we can chat about it. Remember to let me know in the comments down below how many pictures you've got on your camera roll. The more I say, the more ridiculous it's getting. I've actually lost the plot this week. I have fully lost the plot. Anyway, I love you lots. Have a good week, and I'll see you again on Thursday with the baking video with Chris, and also a bonus video this Sunday. It's gonna be a good one. See you then. Bye.